So today we're going to solve the equilibrium. So here's our example. So determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction at the supports. So neglect the thickness of the beam. So here's our example beam. So we have 5 feet at point A. We have 5 feet. So we have distance at point A and B. We have 10 feet. So, and the load is 500 pounds and the moment load is 600 pound-feet. So here's our free body diagram. So we're going to solve the cosine law and sine law. So So we have sine the adjacent over cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. And the sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the solution is we're going to solve first is the summation of x equals to 0. So we have ax, since we have two unknowns, the ax and ey, we're going to solve it. So we have negative ax plus 300 equals to 0. Then our answer is 300 pounds. Then the summation of moment at point A, so we have 400 and the distance is 5 minus Vy and the distance is 10 feet plus 600 pound-feet of load. So our answer is 260 pounds. Then the summation of Fy equals to 0 is Ey minus 400 plus Vy equals to 0. Since our Vy is 260 pounds, we're going to substitute it into Ey. So we have Ey equals 400 minus 260 equals to 140 pounds. So that's it. So do you have any questions?
How did you get 300 pounds and 400 pounds?
So we're going to use SOHCAHTOA, since here is a Ka and is so this is adjacent over hypotenuse and opposite over hypotenuse. So we get 400 pounds and 300 pounds.